Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Persona Music. Persona Music is a tool that will provide you Hollywood-style copyright-free music. And see, they're saying that it's an alternative of Epidemic Sound. And Persona Music is the music licensing platform with thousands of copyright-cleared tracks straight out of Hollywood and TV production. And as you can see, they are offering their lifetime deal on AppSumo. When I am recording this video, they are on AppSumo only one day ago, and within this time they have gotten here 2 reviews. And if you check the reviews, see, this person has bought 198 deals from AppSumo and he's giving here a 5-star review, and this person has bought 116 deals from AppSumo and he's giving here 5-star review. And if you see the lifetime deal pricing, see, license tier 1 is only 29 USD. Here you can use the musics for unlimited social platform and one user, but license tier 2 pricing is 59 USD, which is also very affordable. Here you can use unlimited users. Now unlimited users means unlimited number of YouTube channel, guys. You can white label your YouTube channel. I'll show you every step after some time. And see here, unlimited social platform, paid ads, client work, commercial work, all online platform you can use if you get this license tier 2. So I'll recommend you to get this license tier 2, guys, because it's also very affordable. Now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of this Persona Music and let's explore how things work here and how it can be helpful for us. See guys, this is the dashboard of Persona Music, and here if we scroll down a little bit, you will see a lots of recommended playlist here. But before exploring the playlist, let me show you the account. If I go to this account section, from here you can change your name, you can change your email, password, etc. And you can change see your subscription. As you can see, here is my subscription details. There have unlimited track download, copyright free uses on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitch, podcast, TikTok, unlimited users. So every details about your subscriptions you will see here. And here is the linked account section. This is the main feature that I want to show you guys. Here you can white label your YouTube channel. See, this is my YouTube channel, Passivern. You have to go to your YouTube channel and then you have to just copy your channel ID, and here you have to insert the channel name. Let's say the channel name is Passivern and channel ID is this ID. Then just click here continue. Your channel will be added to their white label list, and then your channel will not get any copyright claim after that. Also, in the similar way, you can use these tracks of this Persona Music on your client's website or on your client's YouTube channel. What you have to do, you have to just copy and paste your client's channel ID here, and then you have to white label it, and then it will be white labeled. I hope you get idea, guys, how you can white label or how you can remove the copyright claims of this Persona Music's music. These are the things, guys. Now if I go to the dashboard, and here as you can see, there have a lot of playlists. So we will explore one playlist. Let's say we will explore from here maybe this one. Let me play one. Just wait some time, guys, and it's loading. So guys, here is one problem. I think they're taking a lot of time to load the music. See, here I'm playing the music, but they're taking a lot of time to load the music.
Feet, what goes to sit, 30,000 seats, had to get out of reach, to know nothing's out of reach. Mama said she was proud of me, man, and I believe that we all come with wings, and we all come in peace, and we all come to be forever, forever, and ever. Last one standing, got me feeling like A-ball, true living legend. Got me feeling like A-ball, got me feeling like, Got me feeling like, got me. Okay, let's play ball. Back when Huffy's was a race car. Back when Derby was a car show. Back when Griffey was A-Rod. Little nigga had steak sauce. Lot of niggas had lanes clogs. Ain't changed since Ball Fade. Had the same clique, gang dog. They still trying to take chains off. I'm just trying to get the chain bigger. Move merch like the Preem store. Sold out the same day, nigga. Had a waiting list for the waiting list. And we can't find your name, nigga. Whip skate doing figure eights while we on race to 8 figures. Damn, I was sitting so long could've crystallized. They said we'll get it, just give it. Last one stand.
So here one problem I'm seeing, guys, and these audios are taking a lot of time to load. I think this loading time should be decreased. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea, guys, about the sound quality. You have to explore all the sound from here. If I want to explore more sounds, then it will take a lot of time. But and this is the sound quality. They have very good sounds here also. You can add these musics to your favorite list. You can add it to a specific project. Let's say I will give the project name. This is, let's say, my project name, and here you can give any description. Let's say I'll bring some dummy description here, and then let's say this is my description, and then if I just click here, create, and then this project will be created. See here, this Dhurbo project has been created. Now let's say I will add this one on this project. Then from here you can select your project. If you have multiple project, you can select any project from here basically. I hope you get idea, and you can download the track from here. Just click here download, and then it will be downloaded, and you can download unlimited number of music from here. As you can see, from Persona Music they have plan unlimited track downloads. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, and see, this is the music, it's downloading. And here another thing is more. If I click here more, then see what we are getting. We are getting here the album name, the BPM, release date, and the ISRC code here. And we are getting tag cinematic, dramatic, powerful, serious, orchestra, trailer. So if you click here on the cinematic, let's say you want cinematic music, so just click here cinematic, and then it will filter all the musics that have cinematic tag basically. So if I just see, these are the musics that have cinematic tag. Now if I just click here, then just hear the music from here. So I'm trying to play this on, guys, but it's not playing again. See, this is one problem, guys, of this tool, I think. But their sound qualities are good, but and see, I'm clicking here, but this sound is not playing. If I click here, then let's see if it is playing or not. So this is the problem of this tool, guys. Their sound qualities are good, I think, but it's not playing. This is maybe their hosting problem or their cloud problem. I'm not sure. Let me reload it. So I have reloaded it, guys, and then now let's see if I can play it again. So I'll play this one. See, guys, it's loading. So it's taking a lot of time, guys. I'm not sure why. See, and they are not playing. So these are the things here, and see here you can filter depending on your uses criteria. See, this is these are the musics that you are hearing are approved for social media, and within this social media they have YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Vimeo, podcast, any future platform. And if I select extended use, then within this extended use there have wedding videos, film festivals, website, games, application, and presentation, but broadcast is not allowed for them. So these musics, see, these are the musics. These musics you can use for extended use case also. So let me play one, but it's not playing. I'm not sure why, guys. uh, Previously it has played, but now it's not playing. See, it's still loading. So let me explore other feature. They have different genre. See, they have different genre: acoustic, ambient, blues, children, cinematic, classic, comedy, country music, drone, then dub step, electronic, flock. So you can basically filter any genre from here. Lots of genres are available here. You can filter by mood, uh, carefree mood, dark, dramatic, groovy, happy, hopeful. So lots of moods are also available here. You can filter by instruments. See, there have acoustic drums, acoustic guitar, backing vocals, bass guitar, bells, claps and snaps, electric guitar, electric keyboard, electric drums, and then ethnic, harmonica, then mandolin and ukulele, orchestra. So lots of instruments are available here. And then video type, let's say you are creating one corporate video. So if you select a corporate, then these are the musics who are suited for corporate. It's just a story. So guys, at last they have played. So these musics are taking some time to play. This is maybe their hosting problem, nothing else. So let me play the music. We tell ourselves, whoa, just an innocent fiction, whoa, but I wish it would come true. And see guys, here you are seeing only three music, but there have a lots of music actually. Why here I'm seeing only three music? Because here I have selected two genre, one mood and one video type. So if I deselect from here any genre or any mood, any filter, then you will get a lot of music. See, lots of musics are available here. I hope you get idea. So the thing is, you can filter from the left hand side for social media uses, for extended uses music, and according to different genre, different moods, different instrument, different video types, and different other filter options are available, guys. I hope you get idea. Now let's say see the video types. See, there have a lots of video types. There have building and city, they have corporate videos, they have music for documentary, they have music for education, fashions, food, gaming, industry, then landscape videos, life and style videos, then they have medical videos, they have music for nature videos, nightlife videos, people videos, road trip videos, they have music for science videos, slow motion, sports and fitness, technology, time lapse, trailer, travel, underscore and vlog videos. So let's say we will explore on science videos, or we will create on science videos, and see these are the musics who will be suited for science music. So let me play one music. Let's say I'll play the first one, and I think it will take again some time. Okay. So this is the music quality, guys. Now let's say I'll play this one. So the music quality is like that. I hope you get idea about the music quality of this persona music. Now if I go to the dashboard again, see there have a lot of playlist. Also there have new rockstars playlist, Logan Pound playlist, John Simo playlist, Emmy award winning soundtracks, then the Ladybirds, a lots of soundtracks, a lots of playlists are available here. So let's say I will use one playlist, let's say Logan Paul. If I enter to this playlist and then if I click here on this play and see these are his playlist, and it will be played now. Just wait some time and it will be load. It's taking some time to load. So I hope you get idea guys about the music quality. Now let me play another one. Let's say I will play this one. So guys, these are the musics of this Logan Paul, and here I have one playlist. You can see his YouTube and Instagram from here, and these are the famous artists. I think I'm not sure. Also, I'm not very familiar about this music industry, but I think these persons are very well known in music industry, guys. So these are the things. A lots of playlists are available here. See, there have arrow button. If I click here on this arrow button, you will see lots of more playlist from here. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, and they have playlist section. If you go to this playlist, you will see more creators playlist here. You will see more musicians playlist here. See a lots of musicians playlist here are available. You can see they have Bridget, Kaylin, they have Ivan Roth, a lots of music rockstars playlist are available here, guys. So these are the things, guys. See a lots of creators music playlist are available here. This is the whole idea, guys. Here if I go to the music section, then you will see all the musics that I have explored previously. If I go to the playlist section, then you will see all the playlist for different creators and for different musician. And if I go to home, then you will see in one dashboard all the playlist and all the music. This is the whole idea, guys, and this is the review of this persona music. And they don't have any sound effects, so they have only music. So if you think guys you need this type of tool for your business or for your personal growth, by which you can get Hollywood style copyright free musics, then you can get this persona music for your business or for your personal growth. And I'll give the URL of this persona music in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this persona music lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I will get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think guys this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.